A few lessons back, we discussed the importance of asking other photographers or other people for feedback for your photographs. And the reason for this is through other people's eyes, they can look at your images and give you helpful comments about composition, exposure, etc. You will learn where you're strong as a photographer, and you'll learn where you need some help. Now, this next bit that I'm going to talk about is also about feedback. And as a photographer, when you put your images in the public forum, whether it is on your website, social media, anywhere online, let's say you have an art exhibition in a gallery, you are going to receive comments and feedback that you don't ask for. So expect this. And also expect that this feedback and these comments that you'll receive are not always positive. Sometimes they can be really harsh and they can be really negative. And other times you're going to receive glowing reviews about your photography. What I suggest to you is to take each, the good and the bad, and treat them the same. Don't let either affect you. Don't let the good go to your head, and don't let the bad get you down, because it will do you no good. In my experience, and I'm guessing that the comments that I received would have been through my website, and this was years ago. And I say my website because I received an email, and that would be the easiest way for someone to get hold of me if they don't know me. Well, I remember one is from a lady, I think she was in Ireland. I think so. And it was a very moving email that she sent to me. And she told me that she was unable to travel. And when she looked at my images, tears came to her eyes, because she was able to go to places in the world through my photography that she wasn't able to do in real life. And I found that very touching, that she would take the time and send this email to me. I thought it was great. On another occasion, I received an email from a man, who knows where he is, and it was very short, and he just very bluntly said, "You have the most uninteresting, boring, and uninspiring photographs I've ever seen." It's like, wow, okay, that's thank you for taking the time. And I did answer him and said just that. Thank you for taking the time to send your email. You know, I take both of those the same. I don't, go into cloud nine knowing that I inspired someone, and I don't go deep in despair knowing that I disappointed someone. So treat them the same, and also expect to receive feedback from people you don't know and from people that you don't ask.